Systems Analysis and Design, Task 3, which is M2. It asks you describe alternative solutions to your requirement specification and explain in what circumstances such alternative solutions would be possible in Word. So you write in a Word document. We know we are creating a website for JKP Pizza Palace for Michelle. We've decided that. However, that's going to come at a price and a lot of hard work. So you always offer two alternative solutions. All right. So how do we answer this? So come up with two alternative solutions. For each solution, state why it would be appropriate to use and things like budget, meeting exact user needs, complicated systems, etc. For each solution, give the advantages and the disadvantages of it in relation to the scenario. Finally, justify your chosen solution. So how are we going to lay this out? An introduction to the report. Alternative solution 1. Solution 2. Justify your decision to create a website in WordPress. Conclusion. Now, alternative solution 1 and 2, these should be very straightforward. So what I would say one of them would be, alternative solution 1 would be a template website. So you know something like Wix or Weebly, where it's just a drag and drop, and then you get and you can put in pictures and galleries and etc. And then you get your domain name would be something like www.weebly.com/JKP Pizza. So you don't get your own domain name. For the free version, it's weebly.com/ and then something you choose. So then for the template websites, so like Weebly or Wix, so Wix you might know better, you need to talk about things like using Wix for the budget, meeting the exact user needs, so being able to pay online and things out there, complicated systems, etc. So give the advantages of using this. So it's very easy to use, very straightforward, user friendly, etc. What's the disadvantages? So you need to find these out. Can you do the payments online? Is it secure, etc.? Does it look professional? And always talk about JKP Pizza. So you're selling, this is a document Michelle will be reading. Alternative solution 2 would maybe be something like an app. An app inventor. App inventor is kind of the same as Wix, but for apps. Maybe they want this whole thing in an app. Would it be a big app? Would it be a small app? Again, referring to the budget, meeting the needs, advantages and disadvantages. So you have to relate all this always to Michelle. All right. So tell them the truth. The advantages of these are. The disadvantages of these are. How they would work. What would the cost be compared to what you're doing? How would it meet the exact needs? All right. How would these work? However, at the very end, the best decision is to make your website, the one you're making at the moment, the WordPress website. You need to put in a few paragraphs as to justify. So tell Michelle, look, you have a template website like Wix, or you have make an app inventor for JKP Pizza. But I think the best route is the website I have designed in the requirement specification because, all right, this is the key bit. Is the big bit is how does the alternative solutions meet the needs or not meet the needs and the advantages and disadvantages, and then your justification of why your website that you're going to build is the best choice. You always have to give alternative solutions, but you must tell her why yours is the best choice. That's your layout. This needs to be detailed as usual, folks. This is a merit task. All right. Good luck.